Hello, hello. I wanted to personally invite you to the upcoming Collage workshop, which is happening on Saturday, April the 30th from 1 to 3:30 p.m. Eastern Time. It's being led by my friend and colleague, Katja Engel, who will lead us in a very creative, relaxing, inspiring time together. This event is a fundraiser, and it's going to support a place in Kiev, Ukraine called Center Lifelover. This is a community organization that pre-war was helping seniors in their retirement years to thrive and to continue to live vivacious lives. Since the war began, they've shifted their focus to help seniors and lonely people in need to provide wheelchairs and medication, food, companionship, all kinds of different services that they are in need of. I have my collage materials coming together, so you don't need anything in particular. I've got some tissue paper, I've got some wrapping paper, an old greeting card, and I also found some magazines at my local little library just down the street. So please join us, and together we'll support a very worthwhile cause.